Mexico City, a vibrant tapestry of history, art, and culture. It's a city that pulsates with life, from its ancient ruins to its modern skyscrapers. The air thrums with the sounds of mariachi music and the aroma of street food. Mexico City is a feast for the senses, a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life. Come, let's explore the heart of Mexico. Colonial-era churches stand tall next to sleek modern buildings. Bustling markets overflow with colorful crafts and fresh produce. Ancient pyramids rise from the urban sprawl, reminding us of the city's rich history. Wander through ancient temples in the morning and enjoy a world-class opera in the evening. The energy of Mexico City is contagious. The streets are alive with people, music, and laughter. Whether you're exploring the city's historical center, indulging in its culinary delights, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, Mexico City is an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Let's dive in. Mexico City's history is a rich tapestry woven from ancient civilizations, colonial conquests, and modern revolutions. To understand this vibrant city, we must first journey back in time. Our first stop, the Templo Mayor. The Templo Mayor, meaning main temple, was the heart of the Aztec Empire. This towering pyramid dedicated to the gods Huitzilopochtli and Tlaloc once dominated the city's skyline. Today, its ruins offer a glimpse into the power and sophistication of the Aztec civilization. Imagine the rituals, the sacrifices, the sheer scale of this ancient metropolis. Just steps away from the Templo Mayor lies the Zocalo, the city's main square. This bustling plaza has been the stage for countless historical events, from Aztec ceremonies to independence rallies. Dominating the Zocalo's northern edge is the Metropolitan Cathedral. As you explore these historical landmarks, remember that you're walking in the footsteps of emperors, revolutionaries, and ordinary people who have shaped Mexico City into the vibrant metropolis it is today. Mexico City is a city that wears its artistic heart on its sleeve. From the vibrant murals that adorn its buildings to the world-class museums that house masterpieces, art is woven into the very fabric of this city. No exploration of Mexico City's art scene would be complete without a visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum. Frida Kahlo, the iconic Mexican painter, is celebrated for her self-portraits that explored themes of identity, pain, and resilience. Her former home, now the Frida Kahlo Museum, offers an intimate glimpse into the artist's life and work. Another giant of Mexican art, Diego Rivera, left his mark on Mexico City with his captivating murals. Rivera's murals, often depicting scenes of Mexican history and social struggle, can be found throughout the city. Beyond these iconic figures, Mexico City is teeming with contemporary art galleries, street art installations, and vibrant cultural centers. Let the colors, textures, and stories of Mexican art ignite your imagination and leave you with a deeper appreciation for this culturally rich city. Mexico City is a culinary paradise, a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. From street food stalls to upscale restaurants, the city offers an explosion of culinary delights that reflect the country's rich gastronomic heritage. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure. Start your journey with the iconic tacos al pastor. Marinated pork, slowly cooked on a vertical rotisserie, is shaved onto warm tortillas and topped with cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime. Each bite is an explosion of savory, tangy, and fresh flavors. No trip to Mexico City would be complete without indulging in mole. This complex sauce, made with a blend of chili peppers, spices, and often chocolate, is a testament to Mexican culinary artistry. For a true taste of Mexico City, sample chiles en nogada. This festive dish, featuring poblano peppers stuffed with a savory mixture of meat and fruits, is covered in a creamy walnut sauce and pomegranate seeds. Beyond these iconic dishes, Mexico City's culinary scene is a treasure trove of regional specialties, international flavors, and innovative culinary creations. Buen provecho! Music and dance are the lifeblood of Mexico City, infusing the city with an irresistible rhythm and energy. From the soulful melodies of mariachi bands to the vibrant traditional dances, music and dance are integral to the city's cultural identity. No trip to Mexico City is complete without experiencing the magic of a live mariachi performance. Dressed in their traditional charro outfits, these talented musicians fill the air with the sounds of trumpets, violins, guitars, and soulful vocals. Beyond mariachi, Mexico City boasts a rich tapestry of traditional dances that reflect the country's diverse cultural heritage. From the elegant jarabe tapatío to the energetic regional dances of Veracruz and Oaxaca, these performances offer a glimpse into the history and traditions of Mexico. Music and dance are not merely forms of entertainment in Mexico City, they are an integral part of daily life. A bailar. Mexico City's markets are a feast for the senses, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and smells that capture the essence of Mexican culture. From bustling food stalls to colorful craft vendors, these markets offer a glimpse into the heart and soul of the city. Step into the labyrinthine aisles of Mercado de la Merced, one of the city's oldest and largest markets. Here, you'll find an overwhelming array of fresh produce, meats, seafood, spices, and prepared foods. The air is thick with the aromas of roasting chiles, freshly baked bread, and exotic fruits. For a more curated market experience, head to Mercado Coyoacan. This charming market, located in the bohemian neighborhood of Coyoacan, offers a mix of traditional crafts, artwork, clothing, and souvenirs. Browse the stalls, haggle for unique treasures, and soak up the lively atmosphere. No visit to a Mexican market is complete without sampling the street food. From tacos and tortas to elotes and esquites, the options are endless. Come with an open mind, an adventurous spirit, and an empty stomach, and prepare to be amazed by the sensory overload that awaits you in Mexico City's markets. In Mexico City, death is not an end but a transition, a cause for celebration rather than mourning. Dia de los Muertos, or Day of the Dead, is a vibrant and colorful celebration of life and death, a time to remember and honor loved ones who have passed on. During Dia de los Muertos, families create elaborate ofrendas, or altars, in their homes adorned with sugar skulls, candles, flowers, and offerings of food and drink for the deceased. Cemeteries come alive with music, food, and festivities as families gather to remember and celebrate their loved ones. One of the most iconic symbols of Dia de los Muertos is the calaca, a whimsical skeleton figure often depicted in festive clothing and engaged in everyday activities. These playful representations of death serve as a reminder that life is fleeting and should be celebrated. Throughout the city, you'll find parades, processions, and cultural events celebrating Dia de los Muertos. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the colorful costumes, the elaborate makeup, and the joyous atmosphere that permeates the city during this unique celebration. Dia de los Muertos is a testament to the enduring strength of Mexican culture, a reminder that life and death are intertwined and that death is not an end, but a continuation of the journey. Mexico City is a city that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a city that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your senses, and leave you with a profound appreciation for the richness and diversity of Mexican culture. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to experience the magic of Mexico City for yourself. Imagine yourself strolling through the cobblestone streets of Coyoacan, marveling at the colorful houses and the bohemian atmosphere. Picture yourself indulging in a plate of tacos al pastor at a street food stall, the aroma of sizzling meat and fresh cilantro filling the air. Envision yourself standing in awe of the ancient pyramids of Teotihuacan just a short trip from the city center as the sun sets over the ancient ruins. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a foodie, or simply someone looking for an unforgettable travel experience, Mexico City has something to offer everyone. Mexico City awaits, ready to share its secrets, its stories, and its vibrant culture with you. Mexico City is a city that begs to be explored beyond the pages of a guidebook. It's a city where the real magic happens when you step off the beaten path, embrace the unexpected, and allow yourself to get lost in the rhythm of the city. Strike up a conversation with a local vendor at a market and you might just discover a hidden culinary gem. Wander down a quiet side street and you might stumble upon a colorful mural or a charming cafe. Take a chance on a local recommendation and you might find yourself at a hidden gem that's not on any tourist map. The beauty of Mexico City lies in its ability to surprise you, to challenge your preconceived notions, and to leave you with a newfound appreciation for the richness and complexity of Mexican culture. Don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone, to try new things, and to embrace the unexpected. The city, with its vibrant culture, its warm hospitality, and its endless possibilities, awaits your discovery.